Hey everybody, welcome back. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your iPhone if forgot password with iTunes. So for this one you're going to be first of all making sure that you have a laptop or PC and your iPhone, of course. Then you need to simply head over to your browser and download iTunes. So it looks something like this. Let me just show you. You can download it from official Apple store, Apple website. So you have iTunes. Once you download this, you can search in here for download iTunes and you will get the result. Yeah, so you can download it. It is completely free to download. Then you need to connect your phone with your laptop or PC, and once you do it, you can easily reset everything. But make sure that it is going to be removing everything from your device. And yeah, so I hope this helps. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned for more and see you in the next video.